bedroom. I'm sorry, okay? I wasn't looking, and the store said that they won't take it back because you've signed for it. When did I sign for it? When I was you. Off.
Oh my God, Rich, are you sure?
No, actually, I took it off and then I drew it back on.
Hey, you made it! Joe, you're on! Hey, who's your friend? He's hot.
But they're across the hall. I mean, that's 2 doors away. It's gonna take them a long time to peck their way back over here.
That's not funny.
Which do I like?
Yeah, you know, for dating, general merriment, taking back to your windmill.
Well, if I had to choose right now, by the way, I find really weird.
In English phrasal verbs we will learn the verb, take back. It means 1. To return something or someone. Examples, the dress didn't fit, so she took it back to the store. Can you please take back this blender to our neighbor? Lisa took her nephews back to their house after the movie. 2. To take something that you gave previously. Examples, my father took back the money after I complained about the amount. I will take back all of the stuff I bought you, if you don't clean up your room. 3. To admit that something you said was not true. Examples, that's a lie. Take it back. He immediately took back what he said when he saw the tears form in her eyes. 4. To accept something that is returned or someone who returns. Examples, the store wouldn't take back the jeans because I didn't have my receipt. TJ begged his ex-girlfriend to take him back. 5. When something or someone reminds you of the past. Examples, the photo took her back to the days when she was slimmer. Her perfume took him back to when they first met. Now, let's see how take back is used in real life.
I'll take it back tomorrow.
Thank you.
Are you sure?
No, actually, I took it off and then I drew it back on.
Hey, you made it! Joe!
I wasn't looking, and the store said that they won't take it back because you've signed for it. When did I sign for it? When I was you. Okay, I'm gonna take him back to Wendy's.
No.
You familiar with the Section 11B of the health code that requires all refuse material to be taken out of the back exit?
But then I have to go all the way around the dry cleaner.
You know what? I take back what I said before. You keep playing at the restaurant because with your music driving people...
Hey, we can take her back with you if you want.
Well, can we help you? Want us to take you back to the house?
Oh, it's like 2 miles!
You know, for dating, general merriment, taking back to your windmill.
Well, if I had to choose right now,
I'll take her back tomorrow. You think we'll get our $3 back?
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.